Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome sa ating third episode of HTML5 tutorial in Tagalog and English. So we are talking about HTML elements and attributes. So let's go. Um, let's just use the previous code that we have on our previous video. Let's just open up VS Code. So what is an element? So element is a pair of tag with the content inside. So pair of tag. So pair of tag is this one's the start tag and the end tag. End tag is my forward slash siya sa kanyang on the first before the text. So this is an element and this one is element. So this element has a content inside and this one has an element inside. So what do we call about this one? So this is a nested elements. Yung may element siya inside sa element niya. So this is a nested elements. And this one is a nested elements as well. So meron ding element na wala siyang end tag gaya ng break. Wala siyang end tag. So ang tawag dito is self-closing tag. So, I think there is another paano ba gamitin tong break? So let's try to add paragraph and then lorem. Lorem is a type of text. So uh, edit lang natin pag medyo malayo na tayo. Just go to view and then word wrap para ibabalik niya yung text natin without losing anything. So, lagyan natin ng break dito na lang. Lagyan ng break. Ano bang magagawa ng break? So, ibababa niya yung text. Let's just remove the break. And then it will indent or just put a new line yung pagkatapos ng text before the break ibababa niya. Ang gagawin niya is putting it to a new line. Ganyan ang gagawin ng isang break. Yung image tag din, image element is a self-closing tag as well. Kasi wala siyang end tag. So, ano ba ang attributes? Ang attributes ay isang property or attribute sa image gaya ng source. Source is an attribute. Oh, as you can see, makikita natin na nag-i-explain yung Visual Studio natin, which is yun yung maganda kasi makikita natin na may explanation sa ah, pag-add na, sa pag-add natin sa source. So, this source is coming from on your local file or even sa browser. Just get some images online. So let's just open up our browser and then we'll try to search an image. Try natin yung image ni SpongeBob. Let's just go to images and then let's open up this one. We can use this link as a source. So let's just try to click the open image in a new tab and then siguraduhin yung may GPG na file extension para mag-display yung image ninyo. This is the actual file na galing sa server na ito. So let's just add that on our source and then save. I'm expecting to see the image on our browser. As you can see, we can see the image on the right side of our editor. So, ano pa ba ang attributes ng image? Meron din siyang attribute na height. Ayun. Lagyan na natin ng height na 100. Oh, ayan, nag-shrink yung image kasi yung height na ibinigay natin is 100 lang. Pwede rin nating lagyan ng 500 or di kaya 200. Pag hindi mo isinet yung width, ang gagawin ng image is mag-o-auto lang siya. Pag isinet natin yung width niya, ganito, ganito din ang mangyayari. So, may attribute siya na width at ang mangyayari dito, i-try natin i-set sa 100. Ayun, ma-deform yung image kasi binigay natin na 100 as width. So, pilit niyang i-adjust yung image kasi may isinit tayo na attribute as 100 for width. Pag ginawa nating auto to, ganyan ang mangyayari. Um, Try niyang i-convince yung height na um, mag-adjust siya based sa height na ibinigay natin tapos yung width is mag-a-adjust lang siya tapos mag-auto or mag-a-adjust lang siya base sa ibinigay nating height. So I think this is the attribute for the image, and we also have an attribute of style. Style is coming from the CSS itself, so we can style anything in our elements. So try nating i-add yung style tapos bigyan natin yung border na 4 pixels tapos solid yung linya. As you can see, solid yung linya niya tapos yung color niya, try nating i-hover sa border. Yan, shorthand property for setting border width. Yung width na binigyan natin is 4 pixel tapos yung style is solid tapos yung color. Try nating i-add yung blue. Yun, blue. Tapos yung solid pwede nating palitan ng kung try nating i-press yung i-hold yung control natin tapos try to press space if may lalabas na mga suggestion. Ayun, meron nga. I am searching for dash or anything. Try nating i-type yung dash. Ayun, may lumabas na dash. So, dash, as you can see, the line is not solid and it is dash. Try natin dotted kung mayroon bang dotted. Ayun, dotted. Ayun, dotted. Maliliit na circle. Yan yung attributes na meron yung image. But itong style we can apply in different elements like images. Um, it works for dev, itong div, tapos yung anchor tag para sa link, tapos ano pa, marami pang ibang elements na hindi pa natin natatakol. So, try nating click maging try nating gawing clickable yung image natin. As you can see, pag i-click natin walang mangyayari. So, we'll just wrap the anchor tag. We'll just wrap the anchor tag inside an image. Let's just delete that one. So, try nating for read purposes, try nating new line pa for read purposes. So, try nating i-save. So, pag i-click natin ito, I think walang mangyayari kasi wala pa tayong ibinigay link. Tama, walang mangyayari. So, try nating bigyan ng link. So, https tapos colon tapos dalawang forward slash www.youtube.com. Try nating i-save. And then, ayun, pag hinover mo siya, makikita mo yung link www.youtube.com and then try nating i-click yung link. Ayun, ayan, makikita mo yung link na ginawa natin sa anchor tag. Anchor tag is for links. Pwede rin links for your pages, for your local pages. I think sa topic na ito, I think we have done the elements and attributes. Um, yep. See you on the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, kita-kits sa next video. Thank you.